Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to share with you 10 most beautiful flowering plants that can instantly brighten up your garden or home. Each of these plants has its own unique charm, from their vibrant colors to their fresh fragrance, making them a perfect choice for plant lovers. I will be talking in details about every plant, including their special features, how to take care of them, and why they are so popular among gardeners. So, if you love flowers and want to make your surroundings more colorful and lively, stay tuned till the end of the video because I will be covering everything you need to know about these amazing flowering plants. This flowering plant is called Torenia, also known as Wishbone flower. It is a very attractive plant that comes in multiple colors like deep purple, violet, blue, white, pink, and yellow, making it a favorite choice for garden decoration. The maintenance of Torenia is quite easy. It grows well in partial shade to bring bright indirect light, and regular watering is needed, but the soil should always be well drained and slightly moist. It usually blooms best in the summer and rainy season, producing continuous flowers for several months. The average price of this plant in nurseries ranges between 50 to 150, depending on size and variety. For healthy growth, Torenia prefers rich organic soil with good moisture retention, and adding compost or organic fertilizer every few weeks helps in better blooming. This plant is easily available in most local nurseries as well as online plant stores. With proper care, Torenia can last for an entire season and sometimes even longer time. It always brings freshness and a very beautiful look to your home or garden. Now, this beautiful plant is called the Kalanchoe, a very popular flowering succulent. It is well loved for its vibrant and long lasting blooms that come in many different colors such as red, orange, pink, yellow, and white. Kalanchoe is quite low maintenance. It requires bright indirect sunlight, moderate watering, and does best when the soil is allowed to dry out between watering since it stores water in its thick leaves. The best season for Kalanchoe to bloom is winter and spring, and with proper care, the flowers can last for several weeks to months. The average price of this plant in nurseries usually ranges between 150 to 400 depending on the size and variety. For soil, it grows best in well-draining succulent or cactus mix, and adding a little compost or fertilizer during the growing season boosts blooming. Kalanchoe is easily available in local nurseries as well as online stores. Being a hardy and long-living succulent, it can stay healthy for years, making it a perfect plant for both indoor decoration and outdoor gardens. Now, this lovely flowering plant is called Impatiens, commonly known as busy Lizzie or touch me not. It is admired for its bright and cheerful blooms that come in a wide range of colors like red, pink, purple, orange, and white. The maintenance of impatiens is quite simple. It prefers partial shade to filtered sunlight and requires regular watering since the soil should always remain moist but not waterlogged. The best blooming season is from summer to early winter when it produces continuous flowers and adds a fresh splash of color to gardens and pots. The average price of this plant in nurseries is usually around 40 to 120 rupees depending on size and variety. For soil, Impatiens thrives in rich, well-drained soil. Mixed with compost and occasional liquid fertilizer helps it bloom more abundantly. It is easily available in almost every local nursery as well as online stores, and with proper care, It can last for several months of flowering. Impatiens is a fast growing plant perfect for both indoor pots and outdoor garden beds and is loved for its long lasting colorful beauty. Now, this beautiful flowering plant is commonly known as Plumeria or Frangipani. The flowers are pure white with a soft yellow center, giving them a very smoothing and elegant appearance. It's a low maintenance plant that can easily grow in both pots and gardens with minimal care. The plant prefers well-drained sandy or loamy soil, and occasional watering is enough to keep it healthy. The approximate price of a small plant ranges between 150 to 300 rupees depending on size and nursery location. Plumeria generally blooms during the summer and monsoon seasons, filling the surroundings with freshness and beauty. It is widely available in most plant nurseries and online garden stores, making it a popular choice for home gardens, balconies, and decorative landscapes. This beautiful plant is Pelargonium, also known as regal Pelargonium or royal Pelargonium. It's a stunning flowering plant admired for its large, bright, and velvety blooms that come in shades of pink, purple, red, and white. These flowers often have striking patterns on their petals, making the plant look truly royal and elegant. Regal pelargoniums are a favorite among gardeners because of their rich colors and long blooming season. This plant requires moderate maintenance. It grows best in well-drained fertile soil mixed with compost. This plant prefers a sunny to semi-shaded spot and need regular but controlled watering. Too much water can damage the roots. They perform best when the soil is kept slightly moist but not soggy. In terms of price, a regal pelargonium plant usually ranges between 150 to 300 depending on its size and variety. They are readily available in plant nurseries and online gardening shops. The best blooming season for this plant is during the cooler months of spring and early summer, when it produces an abundance of flowers. With its royal charm and striking blooms, the regal pelargonium is a perfect choice for decorating balconies, terraces, and home gardens. This attractive flowering plant is also known as Allamanda, often called the golden trump. This flower is a lovely light yellow shade with a deeper yellow center, giving it a cheerful and tropical look. Allamanda is a climbing or bushy plant that grows quickly and adds a vibrant touch to gardens, balconies, and fences. It is quite easy to maintain, needing regular watering, good sunlight, and occasional pruning to keep it safe. For best results, it should be planted in well-drained sandy or loamy soil, mixed with organic manure which supports its healthy growth and frequent blooming. The price of an Allamanda plant usually ranges between 122 to 50 rupees depending on the size and nursery. This plant blooms mainly in the summer and rainy seasons, though in warm region it can flowers almost year round. Its continuous blooms and bright color make it a favorite for home gardens. Allamanda plants are easily available in most nurseries and online garden shops, and they are often used for decorative landscaping, boundary walls, and vertical gardens. With its stunning flower, fast growth, and low maintenance needs, Allamanda is an excellent choice to bring a touch of elegance and brightness to any outdoor or indoor garden space. This beautiful flowering plant is known as Pentas or Egyptian star cluster. It is admired for its bright pink star-shaped flowers that bloom in attractive clusters, making it a favorite choice for gardens and home decoration. The plant is relatively low maintenance, which means even beginners can grow it successfully. Painters thrive well in well-drained fertile soil enriched with organic matter. They prefer moderate but regular watering, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. With proper care, they bloom continuously and add vibrant color to any space. In terms of price, a healthy Pentas plant usually ranges from 80 to 150 rupees depending on the size and nursery. They are easily available in most local plant nurseries and online gardening stores. This plant is best suited for warm climates and blooms beautifully during the summer and monsoon seasons. Though in tropical areas, it can flower almost year round. If you are looking for a colorful, easy to care flowering plant, Pentas is an excellent choice for both home gardens and balcony planters. Now, this lovely flowering plant is called Petunia, a very popular garden flower admired for its bright pink, trumpet shaped blooms. Petunia are well known for adding instant beauty and charm to gardens, balconies, and even hanging baskets. They are easy to grow and require moderate maintenance, making them a favorite choice among home gardeners. The plant thrives in loose, well-drained soil mixed with compost, which helps in produce continuous vibrant flowers. For best results, petunias should be watered regularly, but care should be taken not to let the soil become soggy. In terms of cost, a petunia plant is usually quite affordable, ranging between 50 to 120 rupees, depending on the plant size and variety. They are easily available in most nurseries, gardening shops, and also through online plant stores. Petunias bloom beautifully during the winter and spring seasons in India. Though in suitable climates, they can flower for many months. With their long lasting colorful display, petunias are a perfect option for anyone looking to brighten up their garden or balcony with minimal effort. Now, this attractive flowering plant is called celosia, also commonly known as coxcomb or woolflower. It is easily recognized by its unique bright pink feathery blooms that stand upright, giving a striking look to any garden. Celosia is loved for its long-lasting flowers and is often grown both in pots and directly in the ground. The plant requires moderate maintenance and thrives best in well-drained, nutrient-rich soil. It enjoys full sunlight and should be watered regularly, but avoid overwatering as the roots may rot. In terms of price, celosia plants are quite affordable, usually ranging from 60 to 150 rupees, depending on the size and variety. They are commonly available in local nurseries and online garden shops. Especially during the flowering season, celosia blooms beautifully in the summer and monsoon seasons, but in tropical climates, it can flower almost throughout the year. With its eye-catching colors and unusual flower shape, this plant is an excellent choice for adding a bold and decorative touch to any home gardens, balconies, and even as an ornamental borders. This is Dalhia flower plant, scientifically known as Dalhia pinnata. is a stunning ornamental plant admired for its rich variety of colors and elegant blooms. Available in shades like red, pink, yellow, purple, orange, and even bicolors. This plant adds charm and brightness to any garden. Dahlias grow best in well drained, fertile soil mixed with organic compost, as it provides the nutrients required for healthy growth. They need regular watering, especially during dry months, but care should be taken to avoid waterlogging, and excessive moisture may damage the tubers. Maintenance is quite simple. Regular pruning of dry leaves, timely removal of faded flowers, and occasional fertilization help the plant blooms continuously. These plants are widely available in plant nurseries and online stores in different varieties, and their price usually ranges from 100 to 300 depending on the size and type. With proper care, dahlia can flower beautifully from midsummer to early winter, making them a highly affordable and rewarding choice for garden lovers. Their long lasting blooms also make them perfect for decorative flower arrangements. Many gardeners love growing dahlias because they attract butterflies and pollinators, adding even more life to the garden. Truly, this plant is a symbol of elegance, beauty, and joy in every home garden. Flowering plants bring natural beauty, color, and freshness to our surroundings. With just a little care, they can make any garden or balcony look bright and full of life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for more gardening videos.